course, happy birthday to our lighting director, Shari Villas.
Si Shaki Ravilla.
Basta magandang gabi pa at non-stop sayawan dito sa Party Central ng bansa. Isa lang, ang rating namin dyan, Rated Party Pilipinas!
At mga kapuso, next week simulan na ang summer dito sa Party Pilipinas. Makiparty sa amin dito sa All Stars and the Sun. Beginning yan next Sunday. See you guys next week. Rated Party Pilipinas. See you guys next week. I got a minute ago. What a wonderful band. Jump on the board. Thank you. Alex, thank you so much.